Okay, let's dive into the fun bilingual activities offered by the British Cab for Kids. Looking for a way to make English fun for your child, not just another chore? They call them English tasks, and it's basically a whole bunch of really engaging bilingual activities. First up, let's see what they've got for the creative and artistic kids out there. And the range here is pretty incredible, from high-tech storytelling to hands-on creative sewing. But what about kids who need to move and be social? Well, let's check that out. Yep, these activities are perfect for getting outside, exploring science, or finding some calm with kids' yoga. And check this out, they really do cover all ages, from cartoons for little ones to teen nights. Need a more flexible schedule? No problem. They've got options for that too. So yeah, learning can happen online or even with their awesome bilingual babysitting services. Plus, their list of activities is constantly growing, so there's always something new to check out. So you're probably wondering how to get your kid involved, right? It's super easy. Just hop on their website to see everything and then contact them to get all the details. Here's their direct contact information to make it super easy for you to reach out. With so many options, the only question left is which new adventure will your child choose?